You're watching Code 3 Rewind. Real footage, no filters. Was this justified? Drop your take in the comments. And help me hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now and say I'm in below. You're about to watch body-worn camera footage released by the Orange County Sheriff's Office involving a deadly deputy-involved shooting on June 7, 2025. Deputies responded to reports of a mentally ill man armed with a knife. What happened next escalated rapidly into a life-threatening situation. Viewer discretion is strongly advised.
How you doing?
So my son, he's been diagnosed as a schizophrenic.
Okay. Where's your son at right now?
He's at the house.
Okay.
And he also has a warrant out for him because he didn't show up for court because he didn't take his medicine, which was a conditional release, which was a condition of his release.
Okay.
The manic episodes are starting again.
It's alright. Giving us permission to come in, correct? Yeah. Is there any weapons in his hand?
Or is there a knife or something?
He has a knife.
He has a knife?
See, I think he took it from him, yeah, this morning.
That's cut-proof, technically. Okay. When you open that door, don't have it close it. When you open that door, don't have it close it. No.
TJ, it's the sheriff's office. Come on out and talk to us, buddy.
Got no trouble.
TJ, we just want to talk to you.
You just want to talk with him.
TJ, you come out and talk to us? TJ! What's up? Drop that fucking shit! County, shots fired, shots fired! Boulders, you okay? Boulders, you okay? Fuck! County, shots fired! TJ! What's up? Drop that fucking head! What's up? Drop that.
Made it this far. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your time. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and your support makes all the difference. See you in the next one.